Hello everyone, my name is Alex and today we're gonna test new improvements to the Midjourney algorithm. Midjourney announced a new beta model just a few days ago. What I heard from other people's feedback, it's like way better on imaging human faces and hands. So let's just go and try it out. So here's my dashboard, and I already have planned how we can test the new beta model. I'll just copy prompt keywords from a few of my recent generations made with an old algorithm, run it through the new model. And then we just compare the differences and see if it went any better. Let's take this one. The woman, spider eyes, goggles, gigger thing. And go to the Discord channel to generate some new artworks. Oh, I actually need my dashboard open to copy the prompt. Let me get back for a while. Okay, so I've read the same prompt, but this time I'll add this ---- beta argument at the end. It's waiting to start. Okay, and now the first thing I can see here is that new model is generating only 2 images. Original model provided 4, so now I can easily tell apart which one is the beta. And the started seems to go the same way. Oh, the face is so much better. At 38% it looks so nice, but it feels like this time model is limited to its artistic choice of style and details. It's way different from the usual style, which is also called the Midjourney girl, since previously model gave out faces with a striking resemblance to some generic cartoony woman. I mean, this time is bringing me literally what I asked for. Woman in spider eyes goggles. It's not the spider in goggles or some breed of spider and woman. Also, these details look so crisp and straight to the point. Previous model could make them messy and blend them together, which give out that neural networkish look. Wow, I want to upscale it. I'll take the second version. Now it seems like beta model is not showing upscale progress, which is kinda sad, but it's also rather quick this time. Let's open the original for a closer look, shall we? Well, face is so much better now. Hardly can tell if that's work of artificial network. Totally looks like a pencil drawing. As for the goggles though, details look smeared, but still it's kinda more natural than it was before. Okay, now I wanna try this one. I really like how it turned out originally. So many details and it looks just awesome. Yeah, it could give a little more attention to the eyes, but in this style it's barely noticeable. Android 5 eyes, gigger style. Look, it's not 5, but at least I can see Midjourney did its best in imagining some robot dude with multiple eyes. Let's copy the prompt and get back to the Discord channel. Okay, I'm pasting my prompt and ---- beta at the end. Now it looks so different, even creepy I'd say. Well, it changed a lot in between updates, like network can't decide which style to take. Look, it doesn't have 5 eyes, can't see even 3. So it's not trained to create characters with multiple eyes. And it's ready, let's go see what we've got. Oh, okay, let's upscale the first one and ask to generate more variants for the second dude. I'd say I'm slightly disappointed. It looks much more literal and less artistic, I guess. Could I say it's even boring? Let's zoom in. Well, okay, it's acceptable. Good quality and details are crisp, but I liked my original robot much more. Now this dude looks kinda off. Like Giger decided to draw something, wasted lots of time bringing up the quality and details, but then said, nah, this idea was garbage, let me try another one. You see, something is missing, like no jaw, it looks way too smooth, too balanced I guess. Like no impressive features at all. Okay, I want to try something totally different. Quite a while ago I asked Midjourney to generate me a female Diablo, and I wasn't really satisfied with the result. See, it looks kinda distorted, some problems with eyes. Good idea, but execution lacks a bit of the artistic touch to bring up the quality. Let's see how the new beta model handles. Just a female Diablo minus beta. Let's go. Well, first impression is really nice. Just look at that. Seems like second image has a head cut off. But just look at the left one, it gets better and better. Well, I think something is wrong. Yeah, first one looks like some kid's drawing. And the second one, what the hell? It's ruined. I mean, my daughter would do a better job drawing female Diablo than this. Well, this is not what I expected. I generated hundreds of images but never seen Midjourney to bring up something like this. If I go back to the dashboard, these old iterations don't look that bad comparing to what the new model has done. I guess there is still room for improvement. Yeah, it's good at the realistic female faces, except for the last one. I see it's clearly undertrained in some aspects. Well, that new beta model has about 3 hours of compute time you can use for free, so I encourage you to go and try it. I hope this was useful. So have a nice day and tell me in the comments what else to try in Midjourney.